Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's pre-makeup skincare favorites video, I'm going to be showing a few of the brand new and older products that I've been loving and using for my glowy makeup looks. I'm definitely all about skincare first, so let's go ahead and start with the Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. It retails for $7 for 4 ounces and $12 for 8, but it's a refreshing, hydrating mist that I like to use before and after my makeup. Next, we have the Milk Makeup Watermelon Brightening Serum, which is a solid serum stick. It is brightening, hydrating, and evens the skin tone, reduces fine lines, and leaves your skin luminous and glowing. I love this so much before my makeup. I feel like it's a necessity. And onto the eye cream, we are going to be using this Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream, which retails for 0.5 ounces for $38, and the e.l.f. Massaging Eye Wand, which actually retails for $25, but it includes the battery and its own eye cream. So now we're going to go ahead and mix a few different items together. This is Summer Friday's Jetlag Mask, which I've been loving. It retails for $48 for 2.25 ounces. I only take a pea size, and then I mix it with the glamglow waterburst hydrated glow moisturizer, which is $49 for 1.7 ounces. And believe me when I say this is a magical cream. It's very lightweight or weightless, and it lasts forever and feels like water on your skin. I'm so impressed with this, and it smells amazing as well. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use a sun product, which is the Coola Full Spectrum 360 Sun Silk Drops with SPF 30, and retails for $46 for 1 ounce, and use a few drops of that. It is an organic facial sunscreen, which I love. It prevents signs of aging and caused by the sun and overexposure. And lastly, my holy grail, my favorite product ever with makeup, which is the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. Can't live without it. Retails for 0.34 ounces for $22, and it's a dry oil, which I have been using and loving in most of my makeup products. So this was my video. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Hope you enjoyed that I used a lot of products, and yeah, that is my pre-makeup skincare favorites at the moment, and I will see you guys all next time in my next video. Bye guys!